cooked red lentil dal curry today. So when you cook the dal curry, we cook it in a Sri Lankan way. First, we temper the onion and chilies and the spices. Once you temper the green chili and onion and spices, and then we clean the red lentil and add the red lentil to the tempered spices and mix the lentil with the spices. Once you mix that, then it become a little bit of spices spice flowers have been absorbed by the lentil. Then I add the water. After that, we add the salt and turmeric powder and curry leaves and various other spices like vanilla seeds and mustard seeds. So then boil it. Then you get a very nice quick dal curry.